In the previous video, we had covered the topic of Swift optionals and force unwrapping. And in this video, we will discuss about the difference between the variables and constant. The main difference between variable and constant is that constant does not change its value, and we can say that constant represent the known value, whereas variable represent the unknown values, as we can change the value for variables. Let me explain this with an example. Go to the online Swift playground. Here we will write let marks equals to of type int and marks equals to 100, print marks. Now we will tap the run button. It gives an error which say that cannot assign to value marks as it is a let constant. It means we cannot change the value for the constants. And when we will write here var, like for the variable, we will tap on run button. It prints the value for marks. Means in the case of constants we cannot change the value after describing it, and in case of variables we can modify the value for that variable, like let marks equals to 500, print marks. Here we will define a value for marks, that marks have value 500, print value, it prints 500. When we wish to change the value marks equals to 1000, firstly we describe the constant, after that change its value, print marks, tap on run button. It gives an error, cannot assign to value. That means we cannot change the value for constant, whereas we can change the value for only variables. 1000. Initially we described the value for marks is 500, and after that we had modified the values for marks, and on adding the print statement for marks it prints the value 1000. That's all about the basic difference between a constant and variables. Thank you. For more details, please subscribe the channel